Johnny grouped butterflies according to the different stages in their life cycle and sorted them in 4 different containers. So you know this question is about butterflies and their life cycle. He placed 20 grams of food in each container. So you know this has got to do with the stages of the butterfly and food. All right. So before we do this question, let's revise stages of a life cycle of an insect. You know that insects can be divided into two groups of animals, two groups of insects. One group has a three-stage life cycle. ENA or ENA is how you remember them. And then there's that group of insects which can be grouped into another group, which is the four-stage life cycle or ALPA. That's how you remember them. All right, so the butterfly belongs to the animals that is in the four-stage life cycle group, and we know it alpha, egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Okay, we know that the butterfly at the egg stage, it doesn't eat anything outside the egg. Whatever it needs, whatever food that it needs, is inside the egg. All right, and that's where the developing caterpillar will stay until it leaves the egg. So if you put an egg beside a leaf, okay, the food of the caterpillar, before it hatches, the caterpillar will not be able to go out and eat the leaves. Okay, so whatever food that you put beside the egg will not be consumed, right, until the egg hatches. And when the egg hatches, the larva of the butterfly will come out. Remember that the larva of the butterfly is called the caterpillar, and the caterpillar is the one that consumes a lot of food. All right. In fact, the larva stage of the caterpillar is not well liked by farmers and gardeners because the butterfly of the caterpillar, sorry, the larva of the butterfly, which is the caterpillar, eats a lot of leaves. All right, making and sometimes because it eats a lot of leaves, farmers and gardeners will kill them. Disagree with that because I think they perform a very important ecological function. Okay, but yeah, but that's what happens, and the reason for that is because the reason why they get killed by farmers and gardeners is because as a caterpillar, as the larva stage of the butterfly, it does eat a lot of food. Okay, and pupa is the stage where it does not eat anything. What happens is this is the stage where the larva puts itself in a little pupa, in a little chrysalis, all right, a little covering, and inside that little pupa, it changes itself from the larva stage to the adult stage. Okay, also known as metamorphosis. All right, so and the pupa doesn't eat anything because whatever food it needs, it has already gotten it while it was in larva stage. It stores all that food inside itself, and that's what is going to be, sufficient for it while it changes itself from the larva stage to the adult stage. Okay, so the pupa stage, the butterflies don't eat anything. All right, and eventually, after a successful metamorphosis, a butterfly will emerge, and of course, this is where we love the butterfly because it's beautiful, right? It is really, really beautiful. If you get to see butterflies up close, you can see its intricate patterns and on its wings, and it performs also a very important function. It pollinates the flowers. It goes from flower to flower to drink nectar, and while it's doing that, it is also helping the flowers to become fruits by transferring the pollen grains from one flower to the other, from the anther to the stigma. Okay, all that you have not learned yet. You will be learning that, I guess, you will be learning that in P5. But I'm just giving you a brief introduction. Do not stop. Uh, you know, don't let me stop you from reading about it on your own. You can Google about how butterflies changes from one state to the other. It's really quite fascinating about metamorphosis and so on. I just wanted to highlight that to you that we will be covering that more in greater detail in primary 5. As of now, for this question, all you need to know is that during the egg and during the pupa stage, it doesn't eat a lot of food. But during larva stage, it eats a lot of leaves. And during adult stage, it drinks nectar, all right, from flower to flower. And as usual, I'm simplifying this, just to make it easier for our Sidarians to look at the question and answer it. All right, of course, the life cycle of the butterfly and all its stages and all it entails is not as easy as the information that I just gave. All right, so please do look, Google your own, facts about butterflies and how important and how beautiful they are. All right. Okay. So let's look at the question now. Johnny group butterflies according to the different stages. So you can just imagine Johnny has four containers A, B, C, and D, and in each container it puts 20 grams at the start of the experiment. By the end of the experiment, some of the food is totally gone, while some of the food is not touched at all. Now, as long as the food has reduced, that means there must be either the larva or the adult stage. These are the only two. And normally, uh, this container could have contained an egg which hatched and became a larva. Okay. Day one, maybe it was an egg. Day two onward, it was a larva, and the larva ate up all the leaves. So, as long as the amount of food has reduced, that means there was once upon a time either the larva stage or the adult stage within that 1 week, right? So that means we can't really tell, okay, for container A which stage it was. We know is that it could be in one of those 7 days, or more than one of those 7 days. There was a larva inside as it eats up all the leaves, or there was an adult inside that ate up the nectar. Because again, the food that was given here was not clearly stated. It could be the leaves, it could also be a nectar, it could be both. All right, uh, so we can't tell for container A, we can't tell for container B, we can't tell for container C, all for the same reason, because there was a change in the amount of food. All right, so that means there was either a larva stage and an adult stage in the container, and it ate up the food. Okay, so in container D, however, nothing changed, and we know that nothing changed. All right, because it was either the egg stage for one whole week or the pupa stage for one whole week. All right, so whereas this part here we can't tell, but this part here, container D, we know that it's either one of those stages. So in which container were butterflies? In the pupa stage, and pupa stage alone, our best answer would be number 4, which is a D. All right, I hope you have understood what I just said, my explanation. If it was not clear, what you can do is press pause or press replay, play it from the beginning, so that you can hear what I've said, or use your mouse to drag the play, and replay it at the appropriate time again and again, so that you can understand what I've just said. All right. So again, my usual reminders. All right, listen actively, take notes, replay the video, send comments, and a challenge for you. Okay, thank you so much.